Hello guys, it's TechBaz again and today I'm going to tell you a way to encrypt text. If you are not familiar with encryption and its meaning, it's like turning some text into a secret text. Encryption algorithms produces encrypted message that becomes your secret text by performing calculations on original text using a key. The key is used to decrypt the text and get back the original text. All this might sound a bit technical to you, but you can easily use this method to encrypt your daily journal, your ideas, your documents, your messages, and anything that is in a form of a text. This method requires no technical knowledge and is fairly easy to use to make your text safe as no one can read it without the key. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need is some text to encrypt and the link is in the description box. Head over to the description and go to the link given there. It will take you to a simple substitution cipher. Don't be deceived by its name, it's easy to use. This website gives you an introduction of what substitution cipher is. Let me tell you with the help of this example here. Here we have plain and cipher alphabets. These are 26 alphabets and all the plain alphabets will be replaced by the cipher alphabets. That means P replaces A, H replaces B and so on. This can be simply understood by looking at an encryption example below. Now let me show you how you can use this technique for your own text with a custom key. Scroll down the website and you will find two text boxes named plain and cipher text and one more box which is the key to our encryption. Key here contains 26 alphabets as in the English and they all replace their corresponding alphabets as per their order. That means A is replaced by P, B is replaced by H and so on until Z is replaced by B. We can also type in our own key with all 26 non-repeating alphabets using words like zebra, lion, TV will make the key easier to remember. For now, let's just use some randomly generated key. You can write text in the plain text box and press encrypt to encrypt the text, which will be shown in the cipher text box, and also enter the encrypted text in the cipher text box and press decrypt to get the original text back in the plain text box. Now the only thing left to do is to copy your cipher text and save it somewhere, and don't forget to either copy the key somewhere safe or remember it by heart because it's the only way to get your original text back. Now go ahead and save any important file you have that you don't want others to read. You don't need to worry about anyone reading your document or notes as long as the key is in safe hands. If you explore this website, then you will find more encryption tools which are tough to crack, but for a normal user, I think a simple substitution cipher is good to go. That's it for now. Please like, share and subscribe to support and keep receiving great tricks and tips. Thanks for watching till the end.